Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Slack for team collaboration during deal underwriting step by step clearly. To activate Slack for team collaboration during deal underwriting, begin by navigating to the Slack website or opening the Slack application on your device. If you do not have a Slack account, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in your email address and follow the prompts to verify your email. Once your account is set up, log in to Slack with your credentials. After logging in, you will see an option to create a new workspace if your team does not already have one. Fill in the necessary details, such as your team name and choosing a unique workspace URL. Inviting team members is essential for collaboration, so add their email addresses when prompted. Once your team is in the workspace, create specific channels for your underwriting deals, such as a channel for each deal or for general underwriting discussions. To create a new channel, click on the plus icon next to the Channels section and select Create a Channel. Customize your channel by naming it and setting its privacy options according to your team's needs. Encourage team members to join the relevant channels to streamline communication. Utilize direct messaging for one-on-one conversations as necessary to discuss sensitive or specific topics. Make use of Slack's file sharing feature to upload important documents related to the deals. To share a file, simply drag and drop the document into the relevant channel or use the plus button to select a file to upload. Use it mentions to notify specific team members about important updates or questions within your channels. Engage in ongoing discussions and keep the channels organized by pinning important messages or documents for easy reference. Set up integrations with other tools your team uses for underwriting, such as Google Drive or calendar applications. To add integrations, navigate to the Apps section and browse or search for the tools you want to connect. Consider using Slack's Threads feature to keep conversations organized, especially for lengthy discussions. Frequent check-ins can help maintain momentum, so schedule regular stand-up meetings via Slack calls or messaging. Lastly, ensure your notification settings are appropriately configured to stay updated on crucial discussions without being overwhelmed by alerts. With these steps, your team will be well equipped to leverage Slack for efficient collaboration during deal underwriting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.